Dwayne Allen, championship champion in your hand. First of all, tell us how you're feeling.
It's a tremendous feeling to win it back to back. We've been wanting this, and they count us out yet again, and we did it again. So grateful and give God thanks again.
Going up against a family of four, getting the title again from them. How does that feel?
Feel very different, and you know, we both have a farmer players was on the team, and they post something, said they wanted to get it from us, and you know, we did it again and take it out the hand once again like that. Come here.
I want well needed. What do you have to say about the work that your team has done so far this season and the coaching staff?
I think we did really well. We didn't have a great start, as you can see, but we dig deep. And the youngsters, I want to say I'm very grateful for the guys, because you know, we lose 3 key players last season: Kyle Ming, Gadal Irvin, and Shanil Thomas. And the youngsters came up and did it. 17-year-olds and 18-year-olds, they all did well for us today.
All right, congrats here. Again, big up. Massive respect.